Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start troubleshooting your MSI Creator Z16, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, ensure the laptop is unplugged and remove any connected peripherals. Next, flip the laptop over to access the screws on the back panel. Use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew and remove the back panel. Keep the screws organized to avoid losing them. Once the back panel is off, inspect the battery connection. Sometimes a loose battery can prevent the device from powering on. If you notice any disconnection, reattach it securely. Also, check for any signs of damage or corrosion on the connectors. If you're unsure about handling this, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, take a look at the RAM modules. Identify the RAM slots and carefully remove and reseat the RAM sticks. This process can resolve issues related to memory that may prevent booting. Again, if you don't have the tools or confidence to perform this, keep in mind we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. After addressing the battery and RAM, we need to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris, especially around the fan and heatsink. Accumulated dust can cause overheating and power issues. Make sure to do this gently to avoid damaging any components. If you're concerned about dust buildup, consider our services for cleaning and maintenance. Next, we will check the power adapter. Ensure that your power adapter is functioning correctly by testing it with another compatible device, if available. Look for any signs of wear on the cable, as frayed wires can lead to power issues. If the adapter seems faulty, remember we can provide a quote before repair to help you make an informed decision. Once you've completed these checks and adjustments, reassemble the laptop by carefully placing the back panel on and securing it with the screws. Make sure everything is snug but not overly tight. After reassembly, plug in the power adapter and attempt to power on the laptop. If the device still doesn't power on, it might be a more serious hardware issue. In such cases, we can assist you with professional diagnosis, ensuring you know exactly what the problem is without any commitment on your part. If you're not comfortable doing these checks yourself, don't hesitate to reach out for our hassle-free service. No calls, no travel, just convenient solutions at your fingertips. Finally, if the laptop powers on successfully, congratulations! You've completed a successful troubleshooting process. If not, remember that we're here to help you with further diagnosis and repair options. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.